Welcome back to Tech Notes. I will show you how to use your smartphone as a remote for your LG Smart TV using the LG ThinQ app. So no more fumbling for the remote when it's lost. Let's get started. First, open the App Store or Google Play on your phone and install LG ThinQ app. You will find the link for both on the description so you can install it right away. Now open ThinQ. Sign in or create your LG account. I already logged in, so we are here at the home screen. Then tap Add Device. Choose TV from the options. Make sure your TV is turned on and both phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And the TV setup, as we can see, you might be asked to confirm a pairing code on TV. Type and confirm the code to pair. This process just takes a moment. Once paired, your phone can control the TV. Well, these are some good interface guides. You can check them out if you want. With the TV added, open the remote control interface in ThinQ. You will see buttons like Power, Back, Home, Settings, Volume and Channel Controls, and also the mouse touchpad with a keyboard for text input, which is much faster than using the TV's on-screen keyboard. And down here we have pretty much every button in the remote we can find under one of these layouts. Here are the arrows, voice search, numbers pad, and also these special buttons. Try navigating the home screen, access settings, maybe adjust volume, or launching a streaming app. Well, maybe we open Prime Video and try to search for something, so I can show you that when you tap the keyboard icon, you can type text from your phone instead of scrolling on TV. Well, let's say The Boys. Oh, really? This is much easier than using the remote. And that's it. You now have a full remote in your pocket for your LG TV using ThinQ. If this helped, drop a like, share and subscribe to Tech Notes. More quick tech guides coming your way.